Pasok na, pasok.
Takot, huwag ka matakot. Happy birthday to you. Ano pa kaya doon?
Happy birthday to you. Sana yung cake? Oh, sana yung cake? Yung cake.
Bakit na siya tusin? Nandiyan sila lahat.
Oh, may cake doon, mahal ko. Yan o, aha.
Sorry ka, ang tagal po. Sorry po.
Oh, wish ka. Makarating ka sa Canada. Huwag ka na umuwi. Okay.
Speech daw.
Ang dami.
Sige. Kain na tayo, kain. Kain. Sige. Hawakan mo to, ikot ka doon, no? Thank you ka sa bisita mo. Doon, no? Thank you ka. Oh. Sabi mo na siya. Doon mo, thank you ka doon.
Yung fried chicken na very dry.
Kaya ba?
Baka malaglag.
Tanggalin natin yung ano, lalim.
Saka kapag yung balang.
Then, doon natin yung mga hold. Okay na ako dito. Turuin ko na to. Kayo magkiro.
Yung nasa niya.
Hindi man mainit. Good job. Oh, kain na. Kain na. Ah, may video pala doon? Yan, kuha na lang mamaya. Diyan, habang nag-ano. Oh, may video pala? Ano yan?
Hi Joe, happy birthday. I miss you so much. God bless you always.
Pinsan.
Makahamad ka dis na dira tapos makauli na mo diri sa Philippines. Makalaan mo makabanding ka na mo. Basta I love you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. All the best. Uli mo diri ikay sila Jude. Kay Mino, kayo miss inyo. Stay safe, Jude. Maulit nyo. Pagping ka na ay. Basta, tingnan naman sa inyo. Kahit ano ko, kahit until Inday, Kabundawin, kahit doon. Basta, kung ano lang sila. Lipay kayo ta pag maabot mo dahil sa wando ko. Matumi sa inyo sa una. Hindi ka na dyan kayo pag minsan yun ka kanin. Pasok itong edad. Wala na. Bye-bye. I love you.
So, happy birthday, Drew. May this special birthday be as beautiful as girl that we are inside. Girl, siya din na yan ang
Happy birthday to you. More birthdays coming. More candles to blow. Ingat kayo dyan.
Hi, Drew. Wishing you a birthday bright and beautiful as you are. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Sana.
Take care, we miss you. Hi, Drew. Kinapakas ako, It's me. Dinimig ka. Bitaw, Drew, happiest birthday sa imo, ha. We miss you so much. Bitaw, I'm so glad na ako yung friend. Parehan mo, like, very kind and full of positive energy. Oh my God. Loko, ngayon ako. Ngayon na dyan akong phone. Pwede dyan wala dyan nawala akong pagka-introvert eh. As you all know, introvert ko nga tao. Ay, extrovert eh. But I hope you know you've been such a great friend of mine. Samo Teraya. And I'm very, very grateful na naging partner ka sa akong life. Uy! Kiling ka. Uy! Uy! Bitaw. So, natay, yung sipat ka, kailan ka nakita ka, umayin ka. Nagkaso ka, balik ni mo talaga makapanding ka ninyo mo siya. Mga ulit na. Bitaw, I pray
Ka-open daw po lang open.
Naunta ka na.
Open o open? Bakit? Close na.
God will bless you with a good health, happiness, and success. Uy. Nandito, I hope mag-umanta natin yung mga prayers kung pangandoy. Yung words pangandoy. Pangandoy means yeah. Okay, that's all. Take care always. Can't wait to see you soon. Makalaat ka, no? Once again, happy birthday from Baby Nika. Okay. Miss you so much. Happy birthday. Go. Hi, girl. Happy 15th birthday po sa iyo, Bossing Cakes. I thank God for creating a wonderful person like you, a wonderful friend of mine and Angelique. Even though we're very far apart, I don't think na we became distant as a friend. I think even though na dili kayo ta mag-message, our bond doesn't change. So, I hope this year must have blessings from our Lord. Keep serving the Lord, of course, and i-grant niya yung mga wishes. We miss you so much, and I hope maka-celebrate ni Puhon with you. Happy birthday, Drew!
Happy birthday, Drew! Not really sure na kita, no? It's been, a few years, but I hope na your life in Canada there is great, and I really miss you each passing day, no? Wala talaga, talk like that. Thank you, and happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Drew. We miss you. Love you.
Happy birthday, Drew. Miss you. Gunting.
Uncle.
Happy birthday, Roy. We love you. Hope to see you here in the Philippines. Love you.
Bye-bye, Drew.
We miss you all. Bye-bye.
Mana? Auntie.
Happy birthday to
That's all. Happy birthday.